Greetings everyone. In this video we'll be looking at NCEA Level 1 Mathematics Common Assessment task on algebra. So some of the skills that will be demonstrated in this video will be identifying like terms, simplifying algebraic expressions. If you are simplifying algebraic expressions, you need to collect like terms, and you need to know that you can only add or subtract like terms, and like terms will have the same variables or letters, and they also have the same power. For example, if I've got 2 apples plus 3 bananas and then 3 more apples, then I can have a total of 5 apples and 3 bananas, because I can only add apples together. So those are the like terms, and then 3 bananas are left as well. So in algebra, you will need to denote the variable to each object or item that you're given. So in this case we can say let A be apples, B be bananas, etc., and you can only combine like terms or same object. So we'll have a look at another example. One member of a family ordered 2 burgers, 1 fries and 1 drink. Another member ordered 3 burgers, 2 fries and 2 drinks. Write an expression for their total order. So you can always think of letters as representing something. So in this case we can let B be burgers, F be fries and D be drinks, and you can only add like terms. So we've got 2 burgers, 1 fries and 1 drink for the first person, and the second one 3 burgers, 2 fries and 2 drinks. So we can combine burgers together. So 2 burgers plus fries plus drinks, plus 3 burgers plus 2 fries plus 2 drinks, and then we can get the total 5 burgers. As you can see here, the total is 5 burgers, 3 fries and 3 drinks. So how we did that? So just by grouping the like terms, we can simplify the algebraic expression. So if I'm given 8c take away 3c, think of it as 8 carrots take away 3 carrots. So now you'll only have 5 carrots, so it's 5c. So 8 take away 3 is 5, so 5c. Likewise, 9b take away 4b is 5b. 5ab take away 3ba. Remember, I've told you earlier that a times b is same as b times a, so they are like terms because the variable here, a, is having the same power, and b is also having the same power of 1. So they are like terms because they have got the same variables and same power. So in this case we've got 2ab, so 5 lots of ab take away 2 lots of ba, or ab means the same thing, so we normally write in alphabetical order. And then we've got 3n plus 5n plus 4x plus 2x, which is 8n plus 6x. And don't forget that you can only add or subtract like terms and expand if needed. If I've got 3n, I know it's 3 lots of n's, so this is in expanded form. 5n means 5 lots of n's, 4x means 4 lots of x's and 2 lots of x's here. And if I group them together, I know I've got 8n. That's how we got 8n plus 6n, right? So this is visually you can see that how many were there, but we don't need to write like this. We don't need to write in expanded form. Just need to group the like terms and go from there. That's a quick and easy way of doing this. Final 2 examples here. So 4u plus 5u, would have guessed it, is 9u plus 4g, and then 5x take away 7y take away 2x. So in this case, so I have to group the x's together and make sure you go negative 2x. So make sure you go 5x take away 2x, which gives you 3x, and then minus 7y plus 6. So minus 7 plus 6 is minus y. When terms are being added or subtracted, each sign plus or minus belongs to the term after it. Also, if no sign is there, for example 4x, we know it is plus 4x. So these are some things that you need to know before you start combining like terms. So in summary, like terms have the same variables and same powers, and you can only add and subtract like terms, apples to apples, for example, and powers never change when you add or subtract like terms. For example, here, if I'm given 4x plus 3x, so adding the coefficients 4 plus 3 gives you 7, and the variable part stays the same. Likewise, in the next example, 4x plus 2x, so we combine those two, gives you 6x plus 8a. Next one, 4x plus 3y plus 5x take away 7y. So just look for the like terms. So in this case, 4x and 5x. So 4x plus 5x is 9x, and then 3y take away 7y is minus 4y. Be careful with this one here. 3y minus 7. So 3 take away 7 is minus 4. Next one, 7d take away 2e minus 3e minus 4d is 3d take away 5e. Next one, 4x squared minus 5x plus x squared plus 2x. Now x squared and x are unlike terms because the powers are different, so don't combine them, even though the variable is same, but the powers are different, so they are unlike terms. Only like terms can be added, so I will go with 4x squared plus x squared, and this x squared is same as 1x squared, so the total is 5x squared, and then minus 5x plus 2x is minus 3x. Now we'll look at the harder problem. I would suggest if you can pause the video and try and work this one out yourself and see if your answer matches with this one. So we're given 2a cubed minus 10ab squared plus 3a cubed minus ab squared take away 7. And in this case we need to group the like terms, so I've got a cubed, 2a cubed here, and then I can see plus 3a cubed, so we can group those together. So it's color coded, so you can see which ones are the like terms. So if I'm looking at minus 10ab squared, minus is included in that, so watch out for that one. So it's minus 10ab squared, and this one is minus ab squared, so those are like terms. And likewise 2a cubed and plus 3a cubed, they are the like terms as well, so we'll combine them. So 2a cubed plus 3a cubed, and then minus 10ab squared minus ab squared is same as minus 1ab squared, and minus 7 is a constant. And then if I simplify these further, I get 5a cubed take away 11ab squared minus 7. And note we cannot simplify this further because there are no more like terms or parentheses left. So you need to know that you will stop here, and that's your final answer. I hope this makes sense. I'll see you guys in the next video.